Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make tamago to celery no soup. It's egg and celery soup. Very easy and quick to make with only a few ingredients. So you can make comforting soup in no time. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with the soup. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some celery, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon each of sesame oil and Chinese soup stock, and some salt and pepper. This is the Chinese soup stock I'm using. Let's slice the celery into very thin diagonal slices. Let's mince the leaves. Beat the eggs in a small bowl. Four cups of water, the soup stock, some salt and pepper to your taste in the pot, and just bring it to boil. Let's add the celery, both the stalks and the leafy part, and cook for a minute. And the eggs, little by little, as you swirl the soup. Turn the heat off and let's add the sesame oil. Give it a stir. And it's done! Super easy! Let's serve in the soup bowl. Some chili oil if you like to make it spicy. And tamago to celery no soup is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. I didn't overcook the celery, so it still has the freshness and the texture. So good! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. セロリと卵のスープ goes here and plain rice here. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about 肉団子の甘酢あん for the main, carrot and tuna salad for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!